In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook email account. By the end, you'll have a brand new Outlook inbox ready to use, and you'll understand what each screen is asking for and why. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to Outlook.com. On the homepage, look for the Create Free Account button and click it. This takes you straight into the sign-up flow, so you won't need to hunt around for the right page. Next, choose your email address. Type the username you want, then pick either the @outlook.com or @hotmail.com domain from the dropdown. Both work the same. The choice is purely personal. If the name you want isn't available, try adding a middle initial, a period, or a couple of digits. Keep it simple, easy to spell, and if you'll use this for work or school, aim for something professional. Now create your password. Outlook requires at least 8 characters, and it's best to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or anything easy to guess. A strong, unique password protects your account, so take a moment to make it solid and store it somewhere safe. You'll be asked for a few personal details: your first name, last name, and your country or region. This helps personalize your account, set the correct language and time zone, and tailor certain features to your location. Enter your birth date and click Next. This information helps Microsoft provide age-appropriate settings and can assist in account recovery if you ever need it. Make sure it's accurate. To verify you're human, complete the quick puzzle or security challenge on screen. Follow the instructions carefully. This step is designed to block automated signups. If you make a mistake, you can try again. Before moving forward, review the privacy statements and terms of service. It's worth skimming these so you understand how your data is handled and what you're agreeing to. When you're comfortable, confirm your agreement to proceed. That's it. Your new Outlook inbox will load and be ready for use. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your folders on the left, your messages in the center, and the new Mail button to start composing right away. The interface is clean and straightforward, so you can begin sending and receiving messages immediately. If you like, you can personalize things later, but for now, you've successfully created your Outlook email account and you're good to go.